Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to find your local network LAN speed in Windows 10. Click Network icon, click Open Network and Sharing Center. Click Local Area Connection. My LAN speed is 100 Mbps. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.